Now see lowest common multiple. What are the common multiples of 4 and 6? We will write the table of 4 and 6 and common multiples. We will collect 12, 24, 36 and in these you can see 12 is the smallest number. So it is called lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. So learn the definition. The lowest common multiple of two or more given numbers, the lowest or smallest or least of their common multiples. Examples you will solve, and if you are having any query you can ask me. Now some problem based on HCF and LCM. We come across a number of situations in which we make use the concepts of HCF and LCM. We explain this situation through a few examples. So you will read these examples, illustration are given, and illustration also may be asked in the exam. Let us start exercise 3.7. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So maximum word is here used, so we will calculate HCF of these weights. Okay, so let us start solution. Now see in the first question, given weight of 2 bags of fertilizer are 75 kg and 69 kg. Then prime factorization of 75 is not divisible by 2, then 3. 25 times 25 is divisible by 5, 5 times 5 ones are 5. Now 69 is divisible by 3, 23 times 23 ones are 23. 1 I forgot to put here, so you will put 1. Clear? You will write 1. Now after that, HCF 75 equal to 3 into 5 into 5, 69 equal to 3 into 23. Highest common factor is 3. So 3 kg is the maximum value of weight. Now second question, 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm respectively. What is the minimum distance it should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? Here minimum word is used. That means 3 boys are steps together and the initial point is same, and steps, measurement of step is this. Now next condition, we have to calculate when will they again take steps together. What is the minimum distance it should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? So here we will calculate LCM. Let us start the solution. Now first we will write, children, given measurement of steps are 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm. Then LCM you will calculate 63, 70, 77. First 70 is divided by 2. So first we will choose smallest prime number, that is 2. So 63, 2 3s are, 2 5s are 77. Then 3. Next prime number, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 35 as it is, 77 as it is. Now 3 7s are 21, 35 as it is, 77 as it is, because these numbers are not divisible by 3. Now 5, 7 as it is, 5 7s are 35, 77 as it is. Now 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, and 11 times 77 is divided by 7 11 times. Now 11, so 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 11 1s are 11. Now LCM, you can see here 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18, 5s are 90 and 11 7s are 77. So you can see multiplication. So 693 centimeter. You can change this in meter also. So 69 meter 30 centimeter will be the answer. Statement form, you will write the answer in the statement form. In statement form you will write, the 3 boys can cover the distance in the complete steps is 6930 centimeter. Now third question, the length, breadth and height of a room are are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. Now see here, you can see longest, that means highest. Highest, that means here you will calculate HCF, because the length of room is this, breadth is this and height is this. And we have to measure, we have to calculate the longest tape. So we can measure the all 3 dimensions in the room exactly. So you will calculate here HCF. Now 4th question, you will solve yourself, children, this. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. We have to calculate such a number. Number should be 3-digit and number should be divisible exactly by 6, 8 and 12. So let us start this solution. Now first we will write in this question. We know that the smallest 3-digit number is 100. Now what number should be divisible by 6, 8 and 12? Okay, so now we will calculate the LCM of these 3 numbers. So you can see here LCM of these 3 numbers. First we will choose 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 2 6s are 2. 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 2 3. Now 2 1s are 2, then 3 1s are 3. So LCM of these numbers are LCM 24. Now what we will do, already we know that the smallest 3-digit number, we will divide this number by LCM. So 4 times it is divisible, 24 4s are 96. When you will subtract, 4 is remainder, that means 4 we are having already this remainder. Now more completely divisible without remainder, so we need 20 more numbers, because we will subtract this 4 from LCM. So 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. This 20 we will add in the 100, smallest 3-digit number. So required number is 120. 120 is the smallest number, and this number will be divisible by 6, 8 and 12. You can divide. 6 2s are 12, 0 as it is. Now 8 1s are 8, 8 5s are 40, then 12 10s are 120. Now 5th question, determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Same way. Now we will choose greatest 3-digit number, then calculate LCM, and then by LCM we will divide greatest 3-digit number. So let us start solution of this number question. Now see here, greatest 3-digit number is 999. Then we will calculate the LCM of these numbers 8, 10 and 12. So you can see 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 2 6s are 2 2s are 5 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is, 3 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 5 as it is, and 3 1s are 3. Now 5 1s are 5. So LCM of 8, 10 and 12 will be 120. Now what we will do, we will divide greatest 3-digit number by LCM. So here remainder you can see 3, 9, 39 if you will divide. Now if we will add this number, so more than, and greatest 3-digit number we want, so we will subtract from here the number. So when we will subtract, we will get 960. So 960 is the greatest 3-digit number which is divisible by 8. You can check, divide by 8 this number, then 10 and 12. Now 6th question, the traffic lights at 3 different roads crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously again? In this type of question, always we calculate LCM. Now first we will write, given the traffic lights at 3 different roads crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. Afterwards, we will calculate the LCM of these three numbers. So 48, 72, 108 divided by 2. 48 is divided by 2, 24 times, 72, 36 times, 108, 54 times. Now divided by 2, 24 divided by 2, 12 times, 36, 18 times, 54, 27 times. Again 2, 12 divided by 2, 6 times, 18, 9 times, 27 as it is. 27 is not divisible by 2. Then 2, 6 divided by 2, 3 times, 9 as it is, 27 as it is. Now 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 nines are 27, 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. Then LCM of these numbers I have written here. You can see 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 432 seconds you will get. You will change these seconds into minutes. So we will divide 432 by 6. So 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So 7 a.m. 3. The traffic lights at 3 different roads crossing. Okay. After 7 minutes 12 seconds again they will cross. So in this statement form you will write, they will change simultaneously again 7 minutes 12 seconds after 7 a.m. Now see here, 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of container that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times. So here maximum word is used, so we will calculate HCF. So let us start the solution of this sum. So first you will write, given 3 containers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Then after that 403, 434, 465 you will write in this way. Now 403 is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5, not divisible by 7, not divisible by 11, directly 3. 13 3s are 39 and 1 remainder. So 1 3 13, 13 ones are 13 and 31 is a prime number. 31 divided by 31. Now 434 is divided by 2, 217 times. Now 217 is not divided by 2, by 3, by 5, now by 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 ones are 7, 31 ones are 31. Same here, 465 is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Now 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 ones are 1. 31 ones are 31. Now you can see here the HCF is 31. So the capacity of container is 31 liter. So you will write the answer, the maximum capacity of container that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times is 31 liter. Now next question, find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. So we will calculate first LCM. Now first you will write given numbers are 6, 15 and 18. Then you can see 6 is divided by 2 3 times, 15 as it is, 18 is divided by 2 9 times. Now these numbers are not divisible by 2, so next prime number is 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are and 3 3s are. Now 3 ones are 3, then 5 ones are 5. So LCM 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18, 5s are 90. Now completely if we will divide this LCM by 6, 90 is completely divisible by 6, by 15, by 18, but we want remainder. So what we will do extra? What remainder we want? 5. So we will add 5 in the LCM and then we will write, so required number is 95. Clear? Question number 9. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24, 32. Same question we have solved smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by this. So same to same, only digits are changed. Here you will write the smallest 4-digit number, calculate the LCM. By LCM you will divide the smallest 4-digit number, and then process same to same you will solve. So do yourself this question. Okay, you have to solve yourself this question. Now 10th question, find the LCM of the following numbers. So see here, first you will calculate the LCM. So LCM of this number, easily you can say that 9 and 4 both are not divisible by a common number. So when you will calculate the LCM of these numbers, you will get the product of two numbers. Find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. See here, first you will calculate and then write. If you will calculate, you can see easily here 20 is divisible by 5. So in the result we can say that one number is a factor of other number. Okay, we will discuss what we have done. We have discussed multiples, divisors, factors, and have seen how to identify multiples. Okay, we have discussed and discovered the following. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Yes, 20. If 5 is a factor of 20, then 20 is completely divisible by 5. Every number is a factor of itself. Yes, 5 ones are 5. 1 is a factor of every number. Yes, every number is divisible by 1. Every factor of a number is less than or equal to the given number. Yes, 20. If you will write all the factors of 20, the factors of 20 will be equal to 20 or less than 20. Every number is a multiple of each of its factor. Multiple. Every number is a multiple of each of its factor. Definitely every multiple of given number is a greater than or equal to the number. If you will write the multiple of 20, 21s are 20, 22s are 40. So equal or greater than. Every number is a multiple of itself. Yes, 21s are 20. We have learned that the number other than 1 with only factors, namely 1 and the number itself, prime numbers. Numbers that have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Number 1 is neither prime nor composite. That means a special number. The number 2 is the smallest prime number and is even. Every prime number other than 2 is odd. Yes, two numbers with only 1 as a common factors are called co-prime numbers. Very important points are given. Definitely will be asked in the exam. A number divisible by 2 co-prime numbers is divisible by their product also. We have discussed how we can find just by looking at a number whether it is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9 and 12. Divisibility rules. We have explored the relationship between digits of the number and their divisibility by different numbers. Divisibility by 2, 5 and 10 can be seen by just the last digit. Divisibility by 3 and 9 is checked by finding the sum of all digits. Divisibility by 4 and 8 is checked by the last 2 and 3 digits are divisible by 4 or 8. Divisibility of 11 is checked by comparing the sum of digits at odd and even places. We have discovered that if two numbers are divisible by a number, then the sum and difference are also divisible by that number. We have learned the highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the highest of their common factors. The lowest common multiples of two or more given numbers is the lowest of their common multiples. So here chapter 3 is finished.